The Kuppersmith project is the renovation of an 85-year-old classic American Tudor home. The Kuppersmith family lived here for over a half a century, and we're keeping the character of the home while we make it more functional and efficient for a typical family in the 21st century. We've added a little more space, some great low-maintenance materials, and a technological feature here and there to make life easier. One of those features is the motorized screens that are being installed right now. This system from Phantom Screens is based on a horizontally mounted motorized spindle which is recessed into a cavity built above the opening to be covered. The screen will roll on and off the spindle as it goes up or down. Guiding it smoothly along that path is the trick, and this metal frame at the end of each screen will do that as it glides up and down the tracks hidden inside the columns. When it's all together, there are multiple test runs to ensure that the travel of the screens is smooth and steady, and each is responding properly to its wireless controlling.